Here, solve by completing the square. What is the solution of 3x squared minus 12x plus 6 equal to 0? As we mentioned before, first thing in solving these kind of equations, okay, we have to change a to be 1. So, you know, the equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. We change a to be 1. So, to change a to be 1, let's write the equation again. 3x squared minus 12x plus 6 equal to 0. So, to change a to be 1, we divide the whole equation by 3. So, we divide all equation by 3. Divide by 3. 3x squared divided by 3 equal 1x squared minus 12 divided by 3 is 4x plus 6 divided by 3 is 2, which is equal to 0. Now, as we explained in question number 4, problem number 4, so we keep x squared minus 4x alone and we move everything to the other side. So here we have plus 2, so we take it to the other side. So we do minus 2, we do minus 2 in each side of the equation. Then you'll get x squared minus 4x equals to negative 2. Okay? Good. Now, you remember also the rule that we mentioned, one of the steps that to make this complete square. Okay, we said we look at b. Okay, how much is b? We divided by 2 and we added to both sides of the equation. Let's see, how much is b? b is equal to minus 4. We take it to the side, okay? We do minus 4 divided by 2 and we make it square, okay? And we add it here and here. So minus 4 divided by 2 is negative 2 squared, which is 4. So you get 4, or you can take minus squared, which is positive. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and leave it 2 squared, okay, equals to 4. Or you can leave it 2 squared because we need 2 squared later. Now, look at the equation now. Here, to make this complete square, we add 4 or 2 squared. We say plus 2 squared, and on the other side of the equation, we say plus 2 squared. Now, why did we add it to both sides of the equation? Because it's an equation. Each side of the equation is equal to the other side. Once you add something to one side, you should add it to the other side. Once you subtract something from one side, you should subtract it from the other side. You can't keep it like that. Otherwise, there will be no equality then. So in this case, we look at the left side, it becomes x minus, according to the sign, and then 2 squared, we put 2, and then we make square, which is equal to negative 2 plus 2 squared 4 minus 2, which is 2, right? Okay, you know why this make complete square? We explained in previous question. But in general, when you have a squared and you have b squared, and the middle term is 2 times a times b, okay, then it will make complete square. 2 times a times b. Look at 4x. It's 2 times 2 times x, which is 4x. So it gives you the complete square. So x minus 2 squared is equal to 2 now. How can we solve this? To take off the square, we say x minus 2 is equal to either plus radical 2 or x minus 2 equal to negative radical 2. Okay, both cases are accepted. Why? When you have x squared equals to 4, you say x equal plus or minus radical 4. Radical 4, which is equal to 2. Okay, this as an example. You make square root in both sides. So x squared equal to 4, x equal plus or minus radical 4, which is plus or minus 2. Now we simplify this equation. You add 2 both sides, plus 2, you get x is equal radical 2 plus 2, or x is equal negative radical 2 plus 2. Okay? Good.